Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to layer hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and vitamin C. To begin, always apply your skincare products from the thinnest consistency to the thickest. This ensures optimal absorption for each active ingredient. Make sure your skin is clean and dry before starting, and give each product a moment to settle in before moving to the next step. This simple approach maximizes their effectiveness. Your first step is vitamin C. Apply a few drops of your vitamin C serum to your clean, dry face. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that works best when applied directly to the skin, allowing it to penetrate deeply and protect against environmental stressors. Give it about 1 to 2 minutes to fully absorb before proceeding to the next product. Next, apply your niacinamide serum. This ingredient is fantastic for calming the skin, reducing redness, and minimizing the appearance of pores. It also works wonderfully to support your skin's natural barrier. Niacinamide is generally well tolerated and can be layered effectively after your vitamin C, providing a soothing and strengthening boost to your complexion. Finally, it's time for hyaluronic acid. For best results, apply this serum to slightly damp skin, as it acts like a magnet, drawing moisture from the environment into your skin for intense hydration. This plumps the skin and reduces the look of fine lines. Always follow with your favorite moisturizer to lock in all these beneficial ingredients and keep your skin feeling soft and supple.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.